Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you an Etrusco VW camper. It's a VW camper, it's on a Renault base. I say the VW camper because that's the generic term. Anyway, it's my little joke. The Etrusco UC 5.0 XR. What an awful name. I think you're going to remember VW camper a bit better. And wait till you see the price of this. It's almost the same as a VW camper. 78,395. 508 centimeters long, 197 wide, 206 in height. The extra little bit of height there is because of the tent in the roof. So this vehicle, memory serves me correctly, it's 199 centimeters high, and so the little bit extras for the tent. Here, you want to see the tent? That's what the tent looks like. You've got everything the same as you do get in a normal tent in the roof. Right, Etrusco is Hymer's cheaper brand, but maybe not so much in this case. Well, let's have a look. What have you got here? These little bit of space here for preparation of food. 2 burners. You've got your sink there. Fridge will be down here. There you go. And let's move this bit here over as well. Bit of storage down there. It should be perhaps a little higher than that. Of course, these shelves can be put wherever they need to go. The reason I say that, I'm just wondering where the toilet could be placed. Maybe under the chairs I'm sitting under right now. Well, as far as it goes, I'd have to say the Ahorn, which is built on the same Renault traffic, is considerably cheaper. I do appreciate that I showed you the price of this vehicle as it is, so that includes all the extras, and the base price is a good 20,000 or so cheaper. But then again, I've got to give you the price of what you see, not of a base price which won't include things that I am actually showing you. Let's go to the back. Now, I do appreciate that somebody might want something like this for whatever reason. It may be because they want to go fast, or it may be because they can't park a normal vehicle or something like that. Water film, that's your outer shower. But you know, as a camping vehicle, it's a vehicle that 4 people can sleep in rather conditions of some desperation, I would say. Now, for the length of this, you can just about get what I call the tiny camper, the 541 centimeter camper. Of course, it's higher, but that would have everything. But certainly for this price, right? Base price here, 57,000, and that doesn't even include delivery or papers and things like that. So it's a very expensive vehicle on what is meant to be a cheaper vehicle in the Hymer brand. I can't really explain why the cost is what it is. So, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. If you're interested, you might want to see more. And always got to say that what one person wants might be the same as what another person wants. You always got to bear that in mind. So there's maybe a very good reason for any vehicle that I don't like, but somebody else does. Bye for now.